To pair Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro with your PC, first of all, you have to open that charging case and just make sure that both earbuds are properly inserted into the charging case. So now, as you can see on the back, next to the USB-C port, we can find a button that we are gonna use right now. So we have to click and hold it, and on the front, you can find this LED light. When it starts blinking with the three different colors, you have to release this button, keep that case open, and right now you will have to go, oh, as you can see, something stops working. So we have to just do this one more time. We have to click and hold it. Now as you can see, everything works fine. I have to just enter for the pairing mode one more time. And now on my PC in the right bottom corner, I can already find that connection notification. But if you don't have this, well, you will have to click here with the left mouse button, turn on Bluetooth and click over here to enter all available devices. So now, from all available devices, you should find your Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. You have to click on them with the left mouse button and you will have to confirm. So after a few moments, we should get here some confirmation. Yeah, just like this. We have to click connect and take a look right now, we are successfully connected, but it's not finished because sometimes on some other PCs, you have to click here one more time with the right mouse button and this time, open the volume mixer settings, and now you are looking for the output device. Make sure that it's set for your Galaxy Buds 4, but also the microphone. As you can see, for some reason, it was set for NVIDIA broadcast microphone. So I have to manually switch into my headphones. There we go, and now it's finished.